In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from Binance to PayPal quickly and safely. Need to use your Binance funds for online purchases or easily access them through your PayPal balance. This video will guide you through how to withdraw from Binance to PayPal, a convenient method for utilizing your crypto profits in the digital marketplace. I saw Binance withdrawal tutorials by Technical Bokugan and another guide by How to Crypto, as well as one by Tech Express, and loved their efforts, but I'll explain a few more things, especially regarding the safety of your withdrawal, and we'll do that right now. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added a useful resource there for you too. Stay with me until the end to discover the processing times for Binance withdrawals to PayPal in your country. Now let's get started with withdrawing by PayPal. This method allows you to move funds directly from your Binance account to your linked PayPal account. Binance does not support direct withdrawal of fiat currencies to PayPal, so the first thing we are going to do is to convert your fiat currency to Bitcoin, which is what PayPal accepts. To do that, head over to the Binance app and tap on Convert. On the next page, you will see an option to convert currencies. In the top option, select your fiat currency, example Euro. Then in the lower option, select BTC for Bitcoin. Next, type in the amount you want to convert, which is what you'll be transferring. Remember to add a little extra for the charges. Then click Preview Conversion, confirm the information, and click Convert. Now that you have the money converted to Bitcoin, it's time to send it to PayPal. To do that, go back to your PayPal app and copy your Bitcoin wallet address. This can be seen by going to the Crypto section, sometimes found under Finances or Your Bitcoin Balance. Then select the Receive option for Bitcoin. PayPal will then display your unique Bitcoin wallet address, which you can copy. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with the final steps. Return to the Binance app and click on Wallet. Click on Withdraw. Select Crypto. Tap on Bitcoin. Paste your PayPal Bitcoin wallet address. On Network, select the network of your PayPal wallet. It's usually the Bitcoin network, but please do confirm this. When you are sure, select it and click Confirm next. Type the amount you wish to transfer to PayPal. After that, click on Withdrawal. You'll likely be asked to complete one or more verification steps. Enter the required verification code to authorize the withdrawal. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal and completed all security verifications, your request will be submitted for processing. Withdrawal times to your PayPal account will vary. Please check the video description below for duration specific to different countries and PayPal processing times. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that if you're signing up for Binance, check the pinned comment or description to get our exclusive referral link. You'll not only get some exclusive perks, but you'll also be supporting the channel, so I really appreciate it. To explore more Binance and crypto video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.